there, Richard Struck, Irresistible Dick, working in this Okumurayuki Dang, I'm never going to get that right. This is a Victory pachinko machine. In my previous video I was showing you about how there used to be a plastic 4-pin connector here and there's no fuse clip. And so what I've done is I installed this terminal block with a quick disconnect on here to easily connect power to this. I connected it up to this 12-volt battery, and I have this 1.6 amp fuse right here. So I'm going to put this in line with the battery to protect the wiring as I'm testing this, and we're going to see if the lights work on this machine. In my previous video I also showed you that there's this really cool trick where you can just pop this little thing out right here where all the light bulbs are located. It works so much easier in the last video though. Maybe a little persuasion. There we go. Alright, so located in here are those 3 light bulbs, and on front of this is the leaf switch that activates the jackpot. So I'm going to show you a little trick on that, but for just now, and also something to point out, this in Japanese here, this schematic diagram says that the light bulbs are 8 volts. Most of the pachinko machines are 10 volt machines. I apply 12 volts to them. I do have 12 volt light bulbs that fit these sockets when these do burn out, but they're only activated for a short time and they last a long time anyway. And there's dust everywhere. So just to let you know that 12 volts ain't going to hurt anything. I've been doing that for a little while here. So let's see what happens when we install our fuse. Here's our jackpot switch, and nothing is happening. Interesting. Could be that the light bulbs were burned out. Here's our pin empty light, and the pin empty light is working. But the jackpot is not. So let's swap a couple light bulbs here. We'll just see if the light bulbs were burned out. It's very possible. Who knows how long this machine's been sitting? Okay, bed empty light again. So that light bulb is working, and oh, there we go. So it might have just been loose in the socket. So we got that one to light up for, let's jiggle this one around and see if that one lights up too. Now we got both of them working. It's delicious. Okay. So now we'll put this back in place here. There's a little tab on the right side. You should get that in there first, and then slide the rest of this in place, and should have a nice seating when it happens. So now those 3 light bulbs are sitting in 3 holes that are where the 3 little lenses are on the front side of the machine. One more thing I'm going to do in this video, I'll show you real quick. So here I have a nice little strip of 150 grit sandpaper, just a tiny little strip. What I'm going to do is going to fold it in half and put it in between, because these contacts are going to be concealed once we put the cover back on. So while I've got it open here, I'm going to put this in between the 2 contacts and squeeze them together. And just rub it back and forth a couple times. Clean up any oxidation or any stuff that's on those contacts. Going to make for a nice clean connection when it hits. So it may take a little bit of adjustment once we get I don't know, haven't run this machine yet, so I'm not sure how far this lever is going to pop up when you do get a jackpot. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But I have had to, on this machine, the other one that's next to me here, I had to do some adjustments on these leaves and bring them closer together and to bend this little lever up just ever so slightly to make it work every time. So we'll try that and we'll see how it works out, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.